Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got a beautiful Bonnie Cashin bag to share with you guys. If you're not familiar, Bonnie Cashin was an American designer and she designed for Coach in the early days. I think she designed some of their first bags, I believe in the 60s and maybe 70s. So some of the earlier bags were designed by her, and her bags for Coach are really popular and sought after. This bag she designed for Meyers, so the label says Bonnie Cashin for Meyers. So this isn't a Coach bag, but of course it's a Bonnie Cashin bag. And I would estimate it was likely made sometime in the 70s, and I believe the name is soft shoulder bag. So as the name suggests, it's a shoulder bag, and it comes with these really cool adjustable straps here on both sides. So you would just be able to unhook it here, and then if you wanted to shorten the strap a little bit, you could use these other little holes to shorten or lengthen the strap. So this is just a really cool bag, very unique. It's got this hardware here, and it's also got a turn lock closure. So when we open the bag, it's also got a kiss lock, a little coin purse like built into the bag. So it's got some really cool features to it. So here's that. I'll show you more of the outside of the bag, and then I'll show you the rest of the inside. So here's the front again, and then here's what the sides look like. There's more of the strap so you can see it a little bit better, and then here's the back of the bag. And then I'll go ahead and open it now. So here is the inside. It's got a couple pocket compartments. So here's the front pocket, and like I mentioned, it's got that little kiss lock coin purse built in. And then here's the main body compartment, and it's got a back zip pocket. And it does say Bonnie Cashin for Meyers right here. I'll insert a close-up photo so you can see it better than it'll probably pick up on camera, but it does have that little faint stamp that says Bonnie Cashin for Meyers here in the leather. So that's the beautiful Bonnie Cashin for Meyers soft shoulder bag. This bag is now available in our Etsy shop. If you're interested in checking her out, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a little tour of this bag. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.